Hey there, happy Wednesday. It's Dawn and I'm flying solo, just doing a little intro to this next video, which is one of the coolest parades we've ever witnessed. It's a St. Patrick's Day over at Port St. Lucie. A little bit of a throwback to March, but we didn't want you to miss this. So Randy and I are kind of in between on our seasons. Our next little adventure will be down in Ocala at the Prevost Proud Rally, so I'm sure we'll see a lot of you there. Hey, enjoy this video and keep watching Randy, Dawn, and a Marathon Coach. This is craziness at its best. Wow, that thing is big. Get a load of that sucker. Here we are, St. Patrick's Day Parade. See anyone you know? Oh, the puppy. They know how to have a good time. Oh my goodness. Check this out.